Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty products with expertise and honesty. Today, we're reviewing the Human Hair Bundles 20 to 26-inch 14A body wave bundles made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair. Let's take a closer look at what this hair has to offer. These hair bundles come in lengths ranging from 20 to 26 inches, and each bundle weighs between 95 to 100 grams. The hair is marketed as 100% virgin, meaning it has not been chemically processed and is sourced from young donors. It's described as being soft, healthy, and in a natural black color. The body wave texture promises a natural bounce and shine, and the bundles feature strong double machine wefts designed to prevent shedding. In terms of usage, these human hair bundles are designed for ease of installation, whether you're making a sew-in or creating a wig. The texture is supposed to hold up well with minimal tangling, no odor, and they're said to be reusable, offering versatility for various hairstyles. The hair is advertised to last between 6 to 12 months if cared for properly, which is a decent lifespan for unprocessed hair. I had the chance to test these bundles by installing them for a full sew-in. The installation process was straightforward, definitely a time saver compared to other hair options I've used. The texture felt soft and smooth right out of the pack, and when wet, it retained its body wave shape without much effort. After installing, the hair held its bounce and shine, and I was able to style it with minimal frizz. However, I did notice that the ends could use a little more attention, as they appeared slightly thinner compared to the rest of the bundle, which could potentially lead to a more delicate look over time. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the hair is soft, bouncy, and holds its wave well without excessive shedding. The texture is luxurious and it's easy to style, making it a solid option for anyone looking for high-quality, unprocessed human hair. On the flip side, the ends could be thicker, and while it claims to have no knots or odor, I did experience a small amount of tangling after several days of wear. Also, while the product is versatile, the price point may be higher compared to synthetic options or other processed human hair bundles. When it comes to value for money, these bundles are on the pricier side for human hair, but they do offer a lot of quality in return. If you're seeking a premium option for long-lasting wear and versatility, this is a reasonable investment. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable alternatives out there, though they may not offer the same lifespan or styling versatility. Compared to similar products in the market, these bundles stand out due to the emphasis on being 100% unprocessed virgin Brazilian hair. This makes them a good option for those who want high-quality, natural-looking extensions. Other bundles at a lower price point might not hold up as well over time, or might be made from more processed materials, which can result in quicker wear and tear. As for the build quality, the wefts are sturdy and the hair feels healthy and thick. If well maintained, this hair should last a solid amount of time, though like any human hair extension, it's essential to follow proper care instructions. While I didn't have any direct interactions with customer support, the reputation of the brand suggests that they stand by their product, offering a reliable return policy in case of issues. To wrap things up, these 14A body wave bundles are a great option if you're looking for high-quality, long-lasting, and natural-looking human hair extensions. They offer excellent styling flexibility, and the soft texture is easy to work with. However, they're on the higher end in terms of price, so make sure this fits within your budget. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so others can find this video too. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've used these bundles before or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll catch you next time with more beauty insights. And remember, when it comes to beauty, we've got your back.